pull up. Now we cruising in the wind. She just couldn't wait to get out. She texting all of her friends, like look at the window we in. We coolin' for the weekend. Drop the top and then we out. We do this every season. Sunshades on a sunny day. Doing 80 and we switching lanes. Just keep it cool and chillin' with the bae. Don't call my phone, I hear what you say. Oh, what you say. We ain't gotta keep this on the low. Don't do it fast, we can take it slow. Show you things that you ain't seen before. Before you go, you ought to know. I hope you catch a
Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Trix. Today we're going to be doing another Rust Rogue video. Sorry, for some reason my camera isn't being registered. It might be just a driver issue. I'll try to sort that out soon. You know what? I'm just going to try plugging it up, unplugging it and plugging it back in just to see if it'll work, but I doubt it. Let me just see. Yeah, still not getting power. I'll try sorting this out after the stream just to check, but hopefully it's fine. If not, I might have to replace the cable anyway. So we're on part 15. Let me just switch over to a BRB screen. This chapter isn't that long. Sorry that this chapter isn't long, but the next chapter I'm pretty sure is a wee bit longer. Yeah, next chapter is a bit longer, so that'll be a bit more enjoyable, and hopefully by then my webcam is fixed. I'll try checking after this stream again. I'm going to stream tomorrow, so hopefully by tomorrow you'll see that my webcam's working. It might just be an issue on Linux because I was using it on Friday for a work meeting, so it should be fine. If not, then oof. Anyway, let me see. Let's see. Whoops. It's because I got Zoxide installed. It jumped me to a different SSC folder. Sorry about that. Anyway. We have decent map rendering system in map.rs, specifically the function draw map. If you find the section tile by type, we can start back in the wall selection. Tile type wall. Find word. Boop. Tile type colon wall. Whoops. It's I can't find it, can it? Oh yeah, it can. Nice. I'm tempted to just grab this, so I'm just gonna grab it. Control C. Let me just print that there. You know, I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4. There we are. Ooh. Ooh, no. Why has it done that? There we are. Fall that way. There we go. This requires the wall glue function, so let's write it. Let me just grab this, chuck it right above. Actually, yeah, I'm not sure where that will go. Let me just check that actually. I know it's in map. I just want to see if it's inside base map or if it's just inside of map. It's wall glyph. No. Oh, it just chucks you straight outside. Okay, that's weird. Well, this is a private function, so fair enough. And let's step through this function. If we are in map bounds, we aren't going to risk stepping outside of them, so we return a hash symbol, ASCII 35. Now we create 8-bit unset to act as our bit mask. We're interested in setting individual bits and only need them for 4 of them. So an 8-bit number is perfect. Next we check each of the 4 directions and add to the mask. We're adding numbers corresponding to each of the first 4 bits in binary, so 1, 2, 4, 8. This means that our final number will store whether or not we have each of the 4 possible neighbors. For example, a value of 3 means that we have neighbors to the north and south. Then we match on the resulting mask bit and return the appropriate line drawing character from code page 437 character set. I believe this is the one that was showing like all of the different characters. Yeah, the character table. Yeah. This function in turn calls is revealed and wall, so write that too. It's very simple. I'm just going to chuck this right above it. For people that might be like, oh, why are you chucking functions right above when you're calling them? I'm not sure if it's an issue in Rust as well, but in most languages, whenever you call a function, you should always define it before calling it. So if it's called so the way you should think about it is, like when you have a variable or something, you first declare the variable and then you use it later on, right? That should be the same way you think about methods too. So if you declare a method, function, variable, whatever, you first declare it and then you use it later on. So that's why most of the time you'll see, if you see a call to a function or something, it should generally go above where you are calling it, or or in a higher place in that what's it called, in that file for other places to use it. That's why like you'll see the main method at the very bottom of the file, because it will have access to everything above that main method. I'm not sure if that's still an issue in modern languages or something, but that's just how I see it, that you should always declare things before using them. So if you're going to declare anything, always declare it before you use it. It simply checks to see if tell is revealed, and if it's a wall, if both are true, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. If cargo run project, you get a nice looking set of walls. Cool, so let's see up one, and then cargo build, just because I like to know if I break anything beforehand. Let me just unsave this and move on over. Just gonna bookmark this now. Done. There we go. By the way, for anybody that's following me on Twitter or Mastodon, because of the latest changes to Twitter's API, I don't know if I will be able to continue cross-posting from Twitter and Mastodon. Most of the content that I have currently is posting to Twitter anyway. So if you go on my Twitter, you'll see that I'm reading a bunch of manga, I'm watching a bunch of anime, and you'll see like, oh, I uploaded a new video, or that I'm streaming. So if Twitter's API stops working the way it currently does, where you don't have a free tier, where you have a free tier, so if they do implement the paid model where you cannot use their API for free, I probably won't. You guys won't be able to see any of my content on Twitter. You'll still see my GitHub stats with what I'm currently reading if you are interested, and you can use like an RSS feed reader to get my channel uploads. But unless you're subscribed, you won't be seeing my content on Twitter. I'm hoping that Twitter doesn't go through with it. But seeing as they did roll out Twitter Blue, I'm guessing that free access to Twitter's API is no longer going to be available. So I'd just say, if you like my content, please subscribe, and you'll probably see it in your feed. Or if you don't want to subscribe and you do enjoy my content, you can just grab the RSS feed for my YouTube channel. So if you do want to watch a video, or one of the video titles interests you, please just grab it. If you're interested in any of the books I'm reading, I am currently using Bookworm to post to my Mastodon account, because Bookworm just makes its own microblogging account for you, so you can update, so you can post whenever you like improve your progress in reading. My Annie list, not my anime list, but Annie list, the anime and manga tracker that I use, I'm pretty sure are going to stop allowing people to post to Twitter. I'm hoping I'll see if I can reach out to like support or something on AniList, just to see if they'll allow me to, if they will allow like posting to Mastodon instead, just because Mastodon is free, and I way prefer Mastodon to Twitter anyway. And I'm pretty sure most anime like watchers would also be using Mastodon, so it's not like a bad idea to support it anyway. But I'll see if I can reach out to someone to support it, or if they like are willing to show me their endpoint for their API, I might do something as like something in my past time. But yeah, I'll see what I can do with like updating content that I'm posting to Twitter, because most of the time I'm not even posting anything. I'm just posting out automated stuff like, oh, I'm watching this anime, I'm reading this manga, or I'm reading this book and stuff like that. But for like content wise, yeah, it does post when I'm streaming, and that's the only thing that'll go away. But I'm just hoping that I'll find a way to still do that with Twitter's new stuff. But yeah, sucks. Anyway, let's push these changes. Oh yeah. Let me just go back one. Chapter 15. Just to say, I didn't want any of that to come up as like, oh yeah, I have some connection or something. I have absolutely no connection with anybody at AniList or anything like that. I'm just hoping that maybe they open source the API and that it's free, because I'm assuming that they have an open source API anyway, just because they let you cross post to Twitter. I'm just hoping that because of what's happening with Twitter's API, that they will support like posting to Mastodon instead, because I'm pretty sure Mastodon does have an open source API. You're probably just gonna have to like chuck in your API key for Mastodon and the URL, and then it should just work fine. Yeah, it should work fine. It's just probably gonna need a bit more upfront work, just because of how Mastodon is compared to Twitter. But yeah, I'm just hoping that it does go smoothly. But I'll see what I can do. If there's any like content you guys want me to post on Twitter that I'm not currently posting, please drop a comment somewhere, or like at me on, I'd say at me on Mastodon, because I'm mostly on Mastodon. If you go to my if you go to one of the links in the description, it should take you to a page that has like all of my socials, and you should see one for Mastodon, or I think I call it Layer 8 or something, or like I think I do call it Mastodon on my Linktree alternative. But yeah, I say at me on Mastodon. I know someone wanted me to do a Discord channel, or no, they wanted me to do a Discord server, or like a Matrix community. I haven't talked about it, because like from what I've seen from like other streamers, you need mods, and I don't really have anybody that could like full-time mod on a Discord server. But I also know someone who emailed me, which is kind of weird. But yeah, in terms of like reaching out to me, the only socials that you'll probably be able to reach out to me easily are probably my Matrix, because that's on my GitHub, and my Mastodon, please do not email me. I feel like I should just preface that. Please don't email me. I use that email for like recruiters and stuff. So if they like hit me up, I'm like, okay, cool, I'll check it out. But other than that, I don't really use that email. So when I do check it, I don't want to just see a bunch of people just emailing me that they found me on YouTube or something. That's kind of weird. But if you do want to hit me up or something, I am on Matrix. I'm on Mastodon. So yeah. I'm just trying to think. If there is like a lot of people that do want to engage with me because of my content or something, I'll maybe make a Matrix community or like a Discord. Most of the people that I know are on Discord anyway, so it wouldn't be that hard. I'm more interested in Matrix though, just because it's more privacy orientated than Discord, but I know lots of people don't really care about that. But yeah. Anyway. I spelled it in English for you. Not countering. Jesus. There we go. Oh, it's just one. Nice. Next chapter. Ooh, what was that? There. Next chapter is Bloodstains. Cool. I just want a cargo run just to see what it does look like because I haven't run it. And you guys will probably be interested. Ooh, those look nice. What's this? Ah, I got baited. That's unfortunate. Anyway, still cool. Get push. There we are. Let me just go into here, compare and pull. Create pull. Confirm. There you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, enjoy the rest of your day, and peace.